Hi everyone, so I am back with my new tutorial again. In this I have created a mug model and I have also applied some cute textures on it. So basically this tutorial is for beginners and please watch this video till the end and thanks. So at first move on to general and then delete this cube, light and camera from here by pressing delete key from your keyboard like this. Now press 1 for front view. Now go to add mesh, then select a cylinder as we are making the body of our mug. So here select a cylinder. Now keep it upward over here as you like and press tab key from your keyboard for moving on editing mode. Now from here you can just scale your model like this for giving some shape of a mug like this. From here press Ctrl B for beveling it at the edges like this as it is the down part of our mug. Now select this topmost part and then just add some loop cuts over here for giving it a shape of a mug. So you can take a reference from Google as you need for making for deciding the shape of this cup or mug model like this. Now you can delete this upper faces from here and delete its face. Now you can select this hole and then keep it over here. Now start giving it some shape, means start shaping your model like this. So after that, now go over here, now go to add modifier, now click on solidify and from here you can increase or decrease its thickness level from here. So this must be right like this. You can view it from any angle you require like this. Now from here just apply that and go move on to edit mode like this. Now from down part press E and S and just insert it like this and after this now let's make its handle part. For that just select these faces and press E and S, then scale it and from down also repeat that same process like this. Now press E and S and just scale it down like this here. After this just press 2 from your keyboard for moving on vertex selection and you can just give it a shape as I'm giving in my video like this. Then delete that face from here. Now you can just select it and just make these vertices look in a circular manner like this from up and down also. So like this. Now from side view you can just extrude it from here by pressing E from your keyboard and just drag your mouse outside like this. Now just extrude it and press R for rotating like this. Slowly you can just make its handle. So I'm making its handle part and from down also just press E and then R for extruding and scaling it like this, again like this. So here we have made till here. Now let's merge these vertices from here like this. I'm also speeding up my video for not letting you bored or something like that. So here like this. After merging our handle will look like this. Now just try to make some slightly changes on its handle part like this. Now just scale it from here and like this. Now again press R and rotate it like this. So give it a nice shape like this. Press R like this. Now from your reference model or image You can also decide however you want to keep its handle, means design. You can keep it like this. Now from here I will like to make my handles more thick like this. So this is a beginner's tutorial, so I'm not moving on that much detail on my model. Now just give one loop cut over here. Now um, scale it like this for making some extra designs on our model. You can do with your own choice if you want to add some more detailings or other designs on it like this. Now add some loop cuts tool for making these edges sharp, as when we apply the subdivision mode on it, these edges will look sharper like this. So after this you can view it from all the angle, like how our model is looking like this. So here our modeling part is done. Now just right click and smooth shade. Now press 1 from your keyboard for adding subdivision like this. Now add some loop cuts tool. As you can notice why loop cut tool is important in here like this, for making these edges more sharper. Now apply that subdivision mode like this. So as you can see, we have completed with our modeling part. Now let's move on to our wrapping part. So just select these edges from here as we are unwrapping it, and now select from here also and from here like this, and from here also just unwrap it. Select these edges slightly and carefully like this. Now from down also just select these hole like this. Now from down also select its edges as per you require, as per you want to apply the texture on it. So you can now left click and then mark seam like this. So now from inside also you have to just left click and click on mark seam like this. Now select this part also like this, and again mark seam it, left click and mark seam. So as you can see, we have already unwrapped our mark seamed our textures, sorry, model. Now let's move on to its texturing part. So for that, just take a new material. Now from here click on base color. Now from here click on image texture. Now go here in open folder. Now you can choose your reference or image texture as you require like this. So I have bring my texture over here. So here it is looking all messed. So for fixing this, let's go on UV editing. Now from here just select it whole, and you can see now on this left click and click on unwrap. So here our unwrap part is also done. Now from unwrapping we can decide the textures where it has to be kept and how our object will look after keeping these textures. So so then keep these upwards over here. Now you can bring one by one its parts as we have unwrapped it, and you can check where these parts goes where like this. So you can see this part is coming over here. Now just rotate it. I have like this. Now just press S for scaling it, as you can keep however you can like this. So here it is looking nice from here. Now just keep it over here as you can see. Now let's make some more changes on it. Now this is its inside part. I wanted to keep its inside part as red, so I have kept, and whole body will be in black, and in center there will be my favorite character. Its name is Poro like this. So I have kept over here. Now just you can arrange it like this. You can see. So here we have also unwrapped our model and textured it also perfectly. Like this you can see. Now you can move on to your layout option, and then you can see how cool our model is looking, how cute it is looking. You can see. Now our texturing part is also done. Now let's move on to our rendering part. So it is the most important part of our model, how it will look in the render view like this. Now add a plane for ground effect on it like this. Now you can just render it, just go here on rendering mode like this, and first we will give it a texture from here, just decrease its roughness part from here like this. So you can see the glossy effect on our jar, how cool it is looking like this. Now just adjust some parts from here however you wanted to keep it like this, and then go give its ground color like this. I would like to give it a wood texture like this. Now again just uh, decrease its roughness like this. So as you can see how cool it is looking, it's really cute like this. Now go over here, now go to environment texture. Now from here you can choose your HDRI image like this. Now move on to our rendering mode. So here it is, it will add some more effect to our model for making it look more realistic like this. So here it is. Now just convert it into cycles so you can notice the details, how cool it is looking. You can see how fascinating it is, like this. Now just you can press F12 for getting your final render results. So I hope you enjoyed my tutorial and learned something new from this. Please stay connected with me like this, and thank you. Bye bye and take care.